Sun Life family ko, and I'm happy right here.
Ayan, kinilig po ang lahat with that. Okay, so, eto na, we're actually putting you on the spot, Donnie, this afternoon with a simple and very important question. What's the first step? Diba? I think very important. Simple lang, but very important, and at the same time, parang, ano nga ba? What's the first step, diba? Oh.
What's the first step? Am I gonna answer or do you have
Sige,
more?
meron tayo.
Meron pa?
Tayo. Yes. But
Okay.
wait, there's more.
Okay.
Ayan, so, ang gagawin natin is, we'll give you a life goal, and you tell us the very first step someone should take to get started so they can achieve that goal. Ayan. Ready ka na? Game agad.
Ready, ready.
Game, ready agad siya.
First step.
First step. Okay, so umpisahan na natin to with the first goal, which is join my first pickleball tournament. Ang daming may goal nito.
Join my
Parang
first
ito, goal ko
pickleball.
rin
Ang dami
to in
nito.
life.
Sino nagpe-pickleball
Oo
dito?
nga.
Konti lang. Uy, bago yun ah.
Parang
Dami
goal nila. I think
nagpe-pickleball.
goal nila.
Oo, goal nila ngayon.
Okay.
If that is your goal, the first step would be texting your friends to play.
Ay, totoo. Kailangan
Diba?
natin support
Kailangan
system.
casual muna. Kasi, huwag muna yung bibili ka na ng racket, tapos sapatos, tapos that. Paano kung hindi mo gusto yung pickleball, diba? Hindi mo alam. So, just show up with your friends, play casually, and see what happens from there.
That's true. Kailangan din natin ng support system sa mga ganyan, diba?
Yes, kailangan.
Okay. Ito naman. Next goal. Start my own business or passion project. I think you can relate to this.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm actually there right now, one of my baby projects. But the first step I did was call one of my mentors to ask for his advice. And then call or contact a team you trust. Kasi sobrang importante yun eh. Because you can do what business you want, but if it's not with the right team, it's never gonna turn out right. So these are the people you're gonna journey with, the people that you'll go through ups and downs with. And syempre gusto mo yung mga taong may trust ka, and syempre may taong na lahat kayo aligned sa gustong mangyari dun sa business na yun. And they really wanted to take care of their bodies and think about what's gonna happen when I'm 40, 50, 60, 70 years old. Will I thank myself for doing these things? So, I think mas nagiging mindset ng tao yun ngayon.
True. And baka tayo, hindi naman talaga. Parang lahat tayo parang fitness
Tayo pa
era.
rin.
Tayo
Tayo
pa
pa
rin.
rin.
Sige. Parang lahat tayo parang fitness era, di ba?
Yes, fitness era ngayon.
Okay. So ito, ang next goal naman natin is buy my first home.
Wow, buy my first.
Yes.
First step to buying my first home. As in, na-set na lahat, may finances ka na and everything.
Yeah. Kahit wala
Kung wala
pa.
pa?
Like, parang goal mo pa lang talaga na.
Goal
I
mo?
wanted, yes.
Ako, write it down. Write it down and put it in places in your life na makikita mo. Like, for example, your wallpaper in your house. Waking up, ito yung goal ko. When you're starting a project, ito yung goal ko. Ako, I do that eh.
Yes.
I write down certain goals and hindi mo alam na naisip mo subconsciously. Pero nandun eh.
Yeah.
Like, at the start of the year, I actually have this notebook full of goals. And then I forget about it, I just hide it. And then when December comes, yung end of December talaga, or the next year actually, Jan 1, that's when I check. And I see which ones I actually did. And you'll be surprised that the power of writing it down is really, really big because your body wants to function in achieving that goal. So I think if something as big as buying your house in a specific area is your goal, write it down and remind yourself that that's your goal. And just do the steps to get there, diba? If it's saving a specific amount, if it's
Finances,
researching, yes,
yeah.
of course. Researching also where you want to spend your life in the future. Kasi now, there's a lot of people also moving to the south, to the north, to the east.
So true.
So where you envision maybe starting a family, I don't know, I think if you want to buy a new home, you also want to think about what you want to do in that home. If you're the type of person who wants to go cycling, go swimming, spend time beside a church, I don't know, it depends eh. Kasi iba-iba yung wants and needs natin. So, siguro yung lifestyle mo,
Yeah. You surround
yun
yourself
yung
with that,
parang
yes.
magiging surroundings ng home na yun.